Hey guys, this is Wanda from Crazy Days. Just a quick, really early morning video on my high tunnel / greenhouse, the Queen Dome. We're going to go in and pick some stuff, but let me show you what Danny's doing. This is just outside my high tunnel, and he is planting carrots. Yes, guys, it's time here in the Deep South in Zone 8 to plant carrots. So this whole bed is going to be carrots before long. And the onions outside, the weather got them, that storm that came through, but they're starting to come back out. I have little bitty onions popping everywhere, so we might have some eventually. These are the old-fashioned green multiplying onions that we were hoping to sell. The storm did a horrible number on them, so we're going to keep trying. Okay, we're in my high tunnel and everything is looking really great. I've been picking peas. These are the black-eyed peas, and I'm going to continue to pick some of those. The radishes, I see a little bit of red shining. I don't know how they're going to do, but these are the black-eyed peas. So they're starting to take on a kind of a rustic look, where I know they're getting too much humidity because it's crazy humid this morning. It has been for 2 weeks, so you see how they're doing. So these will not last. Our field peas like this usually last about 2 weeks, so they're doing really good. I'm gonna have a whole big thing full of mums before long. These things are just waiting to pop out. I've got several planted in here, and when we get through picking all these peas, we're taking all this out like next week. But look at the little flowers just waiting to bloom. Cucumbers, getting ready to maybe make cucumbers, but look, mums are going crazy. We're going to have a lot of mums before long. The cucumbers have made it that far. They've got blooms. Got the doors open for pollination, but I don't see any little cucumbers yet. This one, the Trail of Tears, look at it. They are just hanging with beans everywhere, all over the place up there. We have beans. I mean, these things are prolific. If I ever recommend a bean, it would be the Trail of Tears. I'm letting them go to seed. You can pick them when they're like this and cook them fresh, but I've been letting mine go to seed, and we're using them as dried beans. And you can also make bean flour and stuff with them. Isn't that awesome? This, still more. These are the red rippers, and I told you they will go crazy. They're starting, taking off up this way. Look, they're starting to bloom. I've picked 1 or 2 off of them, but they're not really going crazy yet. Right here we have some starting, and look at this. These are long peas, and once they turn kind of red, they will be gorgeous. I mean, really pretty peas. But look at this. They're bright green. They look awesome. This peppercorn just keeps getting prettier and prettier. It's already up to right in here, and I've added more. This one is not as prolific. It's getting there, but it's up to right here. I added another rooted peppercorn here on this end, opposite the other one. And I've got one started here that's already to there. I haven't put it in the ground yet because I have the Cherokee tans, but it's going on this end. So I will have peppercorns on both ends of the high tunnel. Now, Cherokee tans, you see, and they're still blooming, but we're fixing to take them out. This is the second time I've had pumpkins on them. So there's one up there, one down there, one down there. I mean, just going crazy. And you see they're kind of getting a mildewy look because of all the humidity. but the last one down here and here and one up there. So probably about 10 or 12 in that whole area that we're going to deal with. The okra is starting to put on. We've had a little bit off of it. This one's almost to the point we can take it off. These are the pink-eyed peas, and you can see also the mildew. These do about for 2 weeks. You see in there. So I've got to pick these. And about next week all these will come out and we will be ready to plant for the fall. As you can see, purple peas everywhere. So I'm really pleased that the peas did great after we got rid of the rat in the high tunnel. And the turmeric, it will come out before long if it starts changing colors too terribly much, but it has done really great in there. There's a little ginger throat in the back, but the turmeric just went wild in this corner, so I think that's something we're going to continue. So guys, I got to pick peas, but isn't that gorgeous? I told you the red rippers were going to be beautiful in my high tunnel. Thank you guys on crazy days.